Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're well. Today we're gonna look at second order differential equations using Mathematica. So on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please do share the video with your friends. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm gonna type in DSolve. Okay, and then my first equation. That's the second order part. Okay, so minus yx. Okay, equals to sine of x, and then yx as my function, and then x is the independent variable. Okay, there we are. And then equal twice, and then just to get the step-by-step solutions, so command copy and then paste that, and press enter. So that's running, connecting to the Wolfram Alpha server. Right. So that's the equation, differential equation solution, right? And then so that gives you the step-by-step guide. Okay, there we are. So this is the general solution. So it shows you all the steps. Okay, cool. So okay, let's crack on to the next one. So DSolve. Okay, then we just crack on. Okay, sorry. So minus y of x, and that's equal to cos x. Okay, and y of x as a function, and then x is the independent variable. Right, and then likewise equal twice. Just paste that, but I'll just change that to cos x. Right. Okay, and there we are. So just click on that, and then you get your step-by-step guide. Okay, cool. So let's click on the next one again. DSolve. Okay, and that's going to be so y prime of x. Okay, minus y prime of x again, minus 6 times yx, and then that's equal to 0. And then likewise the function there, and then x is the independent variable, and shift enter. Okay, and then equal twice, so I'll just copy that. So command copy and then paste that there, and then press enter. Then yeah, it runs connecting to the server. So obviously you need to have an internet connection. Okay, so yeah, so second order differential equation. Okay, and then I'll just do one last one. I mean, then you just sort of like get the idea of what's going on. So DSolve, right, and then that's going to be so y prime, sorry. So that's going to be y, then prime, and then prime of x, right, and then minus 4 times y prime of x, minus 12 times yx, and then that's equal to so 3 times exponential 5x, 5 times x, right, and then likewise y of x is the function, and then x is our independent variable. Okay, cool, and then I'll do the last part. So command copy and then paste that in there, and then press enter. So to get our step-by-step solution. Yeah, so there we are. So it tells you all the steps, right? What you need to do. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, so these equations are the same ones that I've done with my Maple video and Python video as well. So I'll put the links in my comment section. Okay, cool. I haven't done all of them, but I've just done a few. But you just get the general idea of what's going on. Okay, cool. So thanks guys for watching, and have a lovely day. Cheers. Bye bye.